Yeah, if we go deeper in the zone, the better. Probably get to enter more positions. Mm. All right, let's see what we can hold. Cardinal wick. Let's see if we wick some more to the 61 and 38.
Mm-hmm. 61, stop right there.
Come on, come on, come on.
I think we're seeing 61 right here with this one right here.
Yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm gonna close my first two entries here shortly.
Yep, yep.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, 61 hit.
Order filled.
61 did hit. I got in there as well from 88 to 61
Nice.
perfectly.
My first two entries weren't the best, but I entered some more when it hit all the way at the second 88. Just trying to protect my positions. Oh man, I'm gonna swing the top step a little bit further. If it comes down, I'll probably enter again on my Apex accounts. And good morning. Come on.
Let's go.
We hit 38. We hit 38 next.
Think so. Should be easy from here. Look at that.
I can see a retest, I'm not gonna lie. We're at the 61. So if y'all didn't get to secure the first time, here's the second opportunity to close. All right, we're about to have a 15-minute closure in 2 minutes. It's looking like a good 15-minute candle that we got.
Yep. Look like it's about to make a wick right there, right here. See if she respects that.
Yo, T,
Yeah.
that 12-piece McChicken hit.
No wonder my stomach was hurting, bro.
No, I'm talking about you. No, I'm talking about the payout, bro. Like,
oh.
what?
Bro, I thought we were eating something.
Nah, nah, nah. I mean, nah, that food was really good. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, okay.
Nah, bro, you just got too drunk, bro. Boy was taking every shot in sight.
No, his stomach was hurting me the next day. I thought I was eating something bad.
I think you only had that one meal at that restaurant.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Probably didn't eat enough.
Nah, I don't think so.
Come on, bro, push. All right, 22 seconds. Good 15-minute closure, good sign. I could see it tap the zone one more time. I'm not gonna lie to you, but could be a good thing. We can re-enter some more. All right, don't like how it kind of filled a little bit of that, but let's see how the 30-minute closes in 15 more minutes.
That 15 looks kind of sus though. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
Okay, it's starting to close below these wicks to the left.
Let's see if it hits the 61 one more time. Could be a chance to close.
I think so, yeah. Momentum is looking a little sharp here. But I'm out the position now. I close it at 61 fully.
Smart. I'm about to here again. Yeah, I'm about to on my Apex accounts.
Order filled.
I'm not satisfied with the gains though, so let's see. I'm gonna keep trading.
Yeah. Still gonna keep trading.
Watch it pop off.
Right here.
Yeah, I got a little swinger.
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. It did hit this. It did reject this with the wick, this bottom to the left here. Yeah.
You know, they would
Like
get
a
it breaks. I
shoulder.
can see it come down to this 88 down here, like we did yesterday.
We're gonna need some news, bro. We're gonna need some news.
For that.
You're gonna need some news to get down there a little bit. Even with the aggressive news yesterday, it still kind of don't want to go down.
Excuse me, man. Yo, Sam, how you feeling?
Yep. Can you hear me?
You?
Yeah.
I'm feeling good, bro. I'm alright though. I feel like I caught something, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, damn.
Bro, that's what I was saying. I thought I caught it like a stomach thing. My stomach was
Not a
hurting.
stomach, but like my throat's a little scratchy.
I feel you.
But now I'm straight. Hopefully it's not like a new strain of COVID or some shit.
Damn, is that serious?
And nah, I mean I was gonna go into the office today. I didn't.
Yeah,
In case it was, I didn't want to like spread nothing, but
for sure.
no, I'm just laying low.
Smart.
Honestly, I look at this at a higher time frame. It looks like it's about a tank, but the daily been closing a little sus the last 2 days as it coming up here.
You said below sus. Yeah, the daily did close. I mean, yeah, oh
Even on
yeah.
the 4 hours. If this will give us a little deeper retracement, but hoping for like this 88 on the 4 hours. This is yeah.
Did anyone take that buy we took off this 88? Just curious. The 88 to 61. 30-minute is wicking nicely, I'm gonna be honest. Still got some time though.
Still got some times. 15 looks like it's making a little move.
Great job, y'all. See, not even 10 yet. 10 more minutes until the 1 hour closure.
We
And
get
that is looking. I'm seeing wicks on both sides. Let's see. If it does break, yo, that next 88 is down here. Just a heads up. So these are the zones I'm looking to play off of. I ended up securing most of it, Gio, when it hit the 61.
Yeah.
I'm still riding on my Top Step account with but it's not at break even.
I have nothing in here now. I took everything. It was only 2 lots.
I had to de-risk. I had some early positions, but still not enough for me to call it a day. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. So we on here.
Choppy price on the lower time frame. It's up and down, ranging.
Structure's still good. Let's just see how these next couple of candles close at this area of interest that we have. If we wick, it's a good sign that, buyers are defending this area. Let's see how the 1 minute and the 30-minute close. But if we close with no wick, there's a high chance we have to wait for the next candle or it could break. All right. So it's back in the zone. I'm not gonna lie. Could be a good chance to re-enter again. I might place a position.
Yeah, I put a low position on there too.
Order filled.
Put another 2.
Smart.
Okay, okay, okay. Flip it.
Come on, baby. I need a new pair of shoes.
Flip it 61 again. I'm closing. Oh, okay. All
There
right,
we
there
go.
we
There you go. Nice
go.
wick.
61 again.
Come
I'm
on,
done.
come on. Come on. It's close. I'm
Order filled.
taking some off.
Order filled.
There we go.
Yep, 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 yep. Yeah, and then I took it. There you go.
Yeesh.
Yeah, yeah. Wow, just scalping
You
now.
said the quickest hands in the West.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Pew. On the 2 minutes. 2 minutes. That was 2 minutes.
That was nice.
But I close full. Yeah, I close full. I close full on that.
Well done, lad.
Just up 200. Well, 205, but
We go, Carlos.
205.
Well done, well done.
Slowly, slowly, we getting there.
Shit, I'm still kind of itching a little more. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if that's enough for the day.
Ooh, look at this. 60, 38, bro.
38 next. Who's still holding? What time is it? 7 minutes left, y'all. 30-minute looking
So
like a good wick on it and the 1 hour. If
if
we
I were
close
you,
this,
I would take some partial here. Just by historical data.
if it closes with that wick and re-enters in the zone one more time, I'll enter again. Probably my last trade.
Yeah, I have a feeling this might pop at 10, but we'll see. This looks like it's about to pop, man. Look at that.
Shit, man, we gotta get a nice 5 minute engulfing here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it looks good.
That pop down was so quick.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah.
what's up, family?
How you doing, bro?
Feeling good, bro. Feeling good. How's everyone doing today?
Good, bro. Caught two buys so far
Nice.
from the 88 to 61. Looking to continue that trend here.
Very nice.
Come on, can we get one more?
I do want to see one more, but I want to see it happen either before the candle closes or after the candle closes.
But not right now.
No, if it comes down quickly right now, and then
Come flash it back, but
yeah,
sounds like the market maker right now, bang.
who me? He's okay. Okay, okay. This thing might just shoot from right here. Yeah,
Right there. Shoot it.
I don't got a problem with that either.
Yeah, not at all. Not at all. I'll just wait for the 10 for sometimes after this for the retest. She'll come back. She always comes back.
If it hits the 630, I think I'll qualify for a payout on Top Step. Or I mean, I already qualified for one, but just trying to get a little bit more. You feel me? YouTube, how we doing? Anyone take these trades on YouTube? Three more minutes, y'all. Three more minutes.
Sizzling, hizzling, 4 minutes. All right. I want to see it close just right here on the top, and the next 10, I want to see it push down immediately. Back to
Exactly.
this six.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna get in. I just see when it closed like right here. You see how it's kind of making a little support right here on the small time frame. Just want to stay up there. Don't come down, please. Don't.
We got 3 minutes, y'all.
Okay, look at that. See, this is why, bro.
Come
This is
on.
why. Before 10, I'm taking it. I'm taking it from 88 to 61. The trailing for Apex, if you still holding this, it might eat you a little bit.
Yeah, I think Joe was telling me the other day if you're under 2,500, you have only 30% trailing drawdown on top of the equity. And I think if you're over 2,500, you have 50% of drawdown. Meaning if you're up 4,000 on the account and you're down 2,000 in drawdown, they're gonna flag you. I think they'll let you get away with it a few times, but if it keeps on happening, they'll deny a payout.
Sickening.
Yep.
Oh, look at that.
Might enter again, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Mm.
2 minutes.
Nah, I'm gonna wait until this this
1
close.
hour closure.
Yeah, literally the last minute. See if it's holding or what. not in a rush.
Excuse me.
Look at that. That is why. That is why, ladies and gentlemen, we take our profit.
Sheesh, what a candle.
Now the 10's gonna shoot. I want this to shoot to the 88 down here. If it shoots to the 88, I'm gonna get in.
That was a strong candle, y'all. I ended up getting in though.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on.
I'm gonna
Slight
let
fail,
this.
guys.
I'm gonna let this simmer a little bit.
Yeah, you're smart. I moved it to break even just in case.
It didn't. It didn't push down.
Excuse me. All right, y'all. I'll be honest, I'm kind of sick. I didn't close on my Top Step account, but fuck it, we riding.
Okay, big ball.
That 1 hour candle was so bearish. Um, there
Bro,
could be a chance we
especially
come back to the next 88.
let me tell you this. When she closed like that, like at the very end, and not at the beginning, it's like it gave me this feeling of it continuing, keep continuing after that, the trend. Like having the price break at the very last minute is a little different than having the price break like in the beginning.
Yeah.
Because I feel like if price break at the beginning, it could just make another like retracement just to get to your position back, and then you can decide whether you want to close or not. But if it does it at the very end, it's a little sus to me. I'm just saying that because I've seen this for a little bit too long. Give me the iffy jiffy.
My boy, a grandmaster.
I could be wrong though. Could be wrong, but done it many times. Seen this and then just betrayed me.
I guess we wait.
If we
Looks like
wait,
it's holding so far, but 4 hour closure in 3 hours, kind of a
Damn,
ways to go.
bro. That hourly, I just got back to my desk. That hourly closure was
A little
wow.
aggressive.
No bottom wick, just
Yeah.
well now it will be the 4 hour closure too. The 4 hours is closed on the top apex and top step.
Did it really?
Yeah, look at
Yeah,
it.
it did.
Like that looks sus, but
Yeah.
like now the right shoulder that we were making earlier just got a little bit, you know, it closed right there on it.
I mean, 1 minute looks like it's holding, but it's definitely not enough compared to that. Let's see.
Holding.
It's holding.
Yeah. But 5 minute, 15, 30, 1 hour, all close bearish.
Yeah. We really like. I would like to see this like pop right now.
This wicking. There's a lot of wicks here. Holy wickies.
Oh,
Yeah.
It's a little sus. You feel me? It's just like the
yeah.
come down and like the ride up. I don't know.
I think last time we were here, we sold it down for that buyback up. What was that? Was it here? We took the sell down and then we bought right back up. Yeah, it was right here. It was last week.
That was last week. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm letting this thing settle with the trades thing too. All those trades announced last night after bell close.
Yeah.
So I would say today is the day that they kind of react to it, to the all the tariffs that just got announced last night after the 4 p.m.
There's a few more countries I think he has to announce.
Yeah, that's probably later on today too. So
Yeah.
that's
I know
market
yesterday.
kind of prepping in for another wave of letters coming out.
Yeah, she about to drop.
Yeah, she got
It's about to drop.
another wave of letters from DJ
Yeah.
Oh, darn it.
from old Donald.
I mean, this man, the market's all-time high.
That's the other thing is market's all time high. Can't really mad buying over here. Buying at the tippity top of the tippity top.
I'm not saying like short. I'm not saying like flip the buys. Just something's gotta drop the market, bro.
Not taking no shorts. I'm just waiting for the right position for buys.
Right.
The lows. LG's lows.
But
88.
just with that hourly closure, I do feel like in the 30 minute and the 15, like I said, that lower 886 might be that one.
You feel me? Looks like it's holding at this wick right here. Where's that follow through at? Quick spike down, quick drop down, whip right back up.
But you see how it's not continuously dropping down? It drops and then it makes a little box and then it drops. And then it makes a little box and then it drops. Sauce. Sensitivity.
He says sensitivity.
It's like, look, it's making another box right now. Like, this is the resistance. It's like it breaks, make a low box, push it down, breaks it again. Slowly moving the price down. Sensitivities. Sensitivity right here. When it gets like this, my instinct would be to just stay on the higher time frame. and just wait for the high time frame levels to get tapped and then decide to get in on buy.
Yeah, if we're not getting candles like this, I'm not getting in. It's 1 hour kind of stalling right now. 9 minutes in.
It's accumulating.
Yeah.
All the buy is about to get. I don't know. Either it's pushing. Are we dropping? Ah. 2 trades off the early. $200. Humbly, I'll take that 200 and walk away if this thing not doing anything.
No, I hear you.
Let's see if the 15 close bullish or bearish.
5 minute just engulfed. Previous five. I think I can see it dropping.
Yeah. Man.
Ooh, excuse me. Dancing.
All right. 15. Boys, got some attractions here. Yeah, I'm not convinced on this 4 hours being just that this is the bottom wick and it popping right now. Just in the middle of the range. See this come down a little lower.
Like by the close of this next hour, we'll be able to tell.
Yeah. No rush, no rush, no rush. Calma, calma. Opportunities will present itself. For now, we wait. Part of the game, part of the game. 544 on Apex. That's down here. That's if that comes down today, I wouldn't even take that because that's like 300 pips away. If the momentum carries down that far, ooh.
Oh my God. I'm gonna lay down, yo. Oh, all right. What was that closure? 15 minute?
Yeah,
Indecisive?
yeah, there's no body. Just a little tiny one.
Close bearish though.
Look at this. Enticing players to get in. I know what she's doing, bro. I know what she's doing. She's gonna pop like 15, 20 pips, and she's gonna run right back down.
If we hold below here, this would be great. Below this 15 minute.
Yeah, this 15 is gonna entice some players to get in.
All right, we're just waiting at this point. Just a heads up.
Yeah, I'm not taking no sell, no buys right here, no nothing. I have my fib drawn right here from the previous push on the 15 minutes. So it's not at the 88 yet. So I'm just waiting. All right, look at that.
Crazy.
Gonna wait. More waiting for us. More waiting. Hopefully, the president will send some letters out and then push this to the 88 down here
Is
later
there
on.
any more news for today?
Huh?
There news for today?
Nah, zero. Yesterday there was none. It only dropped because he released the letters, and then it came back right back. I need something like that today, bro. That was good volumes today. Yeah, I mean yesterday, good volumes. No nice fairware. Yeah, JPY. What happened to JPY? It's gonna keep popping everything.
Jumping outside. Terrible.
Oh, oh, oh no, oh no.
Excuse me. All right. Just flip back on the 15.
Told you that was the one people gets in on.
For the buy or for the sell?
But sell.
That would have been a
This,
good
this is
sell
the
right
break.
there.
This is the break and retest. What are you talking
Yeah.
about? It broke. It retest. Gave you an indecisive candle, and now it came back right to the top. But I ain't taking no sell, bro. The hell.
Hey man, a sell down, buy up.
No, who are they?
What about that? What you know about two piece?
Bro, I'd rather be dumb than being smart. This is when you starting to feel yourself, the buy, the sell, and then you get cooked.
You
You
said I
walk
is rich versus I am broke.
and you get cooked. Absolutely cooked. It's like I'm up 200 right now, and then I get in and then just push. And I'm like minus 500. It's like, bruh. Bruh.
Yeah, I want to see the same thing happen. I'm gonna be honest.
Trading break and retest. Look at that. It's not a bad strat, right?
I want it to keep pushing. Keep pushing. Said motherfucker break already.
Gonna give people in and out, in and out.
Oh my God.
I bet you it's gonna close this indecisive again. Just
On the
nobody.
1 hour or on the 15?
Yeah.
I think this thing could drop him.
Yeah. Just a matter of when. It's accumulating a few orders.
What I'm saying, bro. Grabbing players. But we are smarter. We wait with the 88.
There we go.
Yo, invite the birthday boy, man.
What do you say?
I don't know if he's in office.
I don't think so. Let me see.
My man is scared to trade.
Send the link, bro. Send the link.
Where's Tesfaye?
Yeah, that's what we're wondering.
It's his birthday.
Today?
It's Onk's birthday, yeah.
Shout out Tesfaye.
Nah, he big bro now.
Big bro.
Unc's in the next level.
Yo, his brother looks like Big Onk. I ain't gonna lie.
All right, here we go. There we go.
There you go.
So it's pushing.
The break of me. Nah, bro.
Nope.
And then it gets all the way there and just
I
stops.
told you.
And then it hits a force field.
That's exactly what's happening.
She gonna play. She gonna play, bruh. Oh, hey, no, she's
There
not
we go.
playing. That.
We broke through the force field, but now we gotta like
Hmm.
keep pushing.
Is it lagging on TradingView?
Actually, yeah, Apex right now. I'm on the minute on Apex, and it looks like this minute just broke through that.
Yeah, I'm on the 15 still, waiting for this.
Yeah, I think this is great.
Finally, there we go. There we go.
There we go.
Keep pushing.
You're in that cell, bro.
I'm in that cell, boy.
All
I'm super weak. This man really took retest.
I just moved it to break even. That was about to get me. I'm trying tight. I'm trying super tight.
Break and retest.
Come on. Come on, motherfucker. There
Yeah,
we go. There we
I
go.
dropped to the 88 right here on the 15.
There we go.
Order filled.
I just hit my break even. My stop profit, I mean. I only took it on my top step though. I didn't take it on my apex.
Yeah, that was clean. Not gonna lie. I didn't take it, but
Did not take that either.
the way that 15-minute closed, like that is with the bearish closure before.
Um That's a good question. I try to put like 3 contracts. I mean, I'm only limited to 3 contracts on as of right now, 3 to 5 contracts on my Top Step account. But I try not to get more than 30% a day is way too much of the bounce, right? If I'm up 3,000, what's 30% of 3,000? Is that 1,000?
14, 1,400.
$900.
I'm not sure.
So if I get to $900 in drawdown, I think I'll get flagged. So I don't know. I don't know the exact percent, but I'll try not to get like $200. I'll probably close at $200 in negative, just so I stay within that 30% threshold. So I'll probably not drop more than 4 contracts. I
Yo,
hope it helps.
would you set like I mean, would you set alerts on your trading not alerts, but like you can set like numbers so it automatically closes you at those limits, like the numbers of the percentages that you need.
I didn't know you could do that. Well, you can do
Yeah,
that
like
on Apex.
per account you can set like hard TPs and it will just
Oh,
close
okay.
it automatically every time.
I've been doing it manual, brother. I'm not gonna
Yeah,
lie.
I've never done it like what I'm saying. I've always done it manual too. But since it's like what you're talking about, like it seems like if the market does like do a crazy wick and you're in a trade, sometimes you might not be able to control like like
Yeah.
close
Yeah,
it
you're right.
at that exact number, but that will like close you at that number every time.
Interesting. That's really good to know. But if you're honestly, if you're not dropping more than 3 contracts, you shouldn't have to worry about that.
That's
You
true.
know, two contracts. But no, that's a great tip, bro. How do you set that up? Just curious.
I think it's on like under the settings.
Okay.
Yeah, like on the actual Tradeovate like
Is
app,
it under
not
is it under the managed groups?
let me see.
Yeah, let's see under the managed groups. You can do quantity, but I think that's just how many
Oh, so if you go to
enter at the same
the
time.
top right where it says like it has like those application settings, and then it has your accounts and it has risk settings.
Yeah. Okay,
And
cool.
then you have daily loss limit, weekly loss limit, and then daily profit trigger, weekly profit trigger.
Oh, word.
And you can set these risk settings per account.
Gotcha. Let me see. That's really good to know.
This man, oh, really sold. Look at this thing plotting back up.
Oh yeah, I already scared.
It's crazy.
D, why you why you worried about me? Nah, I sold on I told you I don't really care about the top stuff as much as the Apex ones. So yeah. But let me see. Did it hit the 88 from this swing here?
From the
Nah,
Asia low.
Nah, no way. Still.
yeah. I was waiting for that too. I was waiting to see if that was gonna tap. Have both.
Yeah. Yeah, close. Yeah.
Damn, Jay, you got me thinking. Maybe that's not a good. It's not a bad feature to have turned on, bro.
Maybe on just a few accounts, you know.
Yeah. Because you don't want to get hit that with that 30%. Then they're gonna flag you, and then if you keep getting hit, they'll terminate the account. So I think it's 30% under 2,500, and then over 2,500, if I'm not mistaken, it's 50%. You can be in
Thing is,
drawdown.
yo, that is so dumb when it because they allow DCA. It's like, well, what if you were in drawdown and then you slap a few more on the bottom and your profit ran up, but it's not the same as like what you're setting. It, like imagine like if you're setting like 750, but with the position you're in at the bottom, you get to like 750, but that 750 was the ad of your it was the average of your like the top position and the position you're in now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it like moves. It doesn't. Yeah, it moves it.
So like it's still 750. It says 750, but in reality, it's only like 350 or something like that. If you do the DCA and then like the price changes because you're like you're in drawdown from the top position.
So
Like,
T, let's say you bought right here, right? And then it goes in the drawdown, and you buy again down here, and you're saying the floating balance is at 750?
yeah, yeah, it might just slap the 750 profit that you set, even though it's not 750. You know what I'm saying?
You're saying it might slip and take you out?
No, no,
Oh,
no. The price, like you would get like the average price that if when you enter a DCA like a price
Correct.
below that, it'll average out, right?
Correct. Yes, it will average out.
Yeah. So when the price gets back to like the 750, it says on the here on the open P&L, but it's not though because that was the price of the top one and the bottom one.
yeah, but
Yeah.
it's a combination
Yes,
of
yeah.
both.
That's correct.
That is true.
Because if you close the first positions, and if you look at the realized gains, it's gonna be negative.
Yeah.
But your entry also starts to move down even further.
Mhm. Dude, I miss like with MetaTrader when you can manage the positions individually. You know what I'm saying? I'm not. I
Wow.
mean,
Look at this.
but you remember that you could enter one position and manage that joint
Yeah.
as it's in like a different like it doesn't have to close in order. That's the thing with this. It's
Yeah,
like
yeah,
and you got to close each position in order. So
Oh my God. This thing
your
just
entries
taps out.
matter for real. Like
This thing is flying.
yeah.
yeah. Yo, 1 hour 88 tapped.
Wow.
Damn.
Sheesh.
Oh, it's the 1 hour 88, bruh. Bro.
But
No way.
I'm sitting here yapping, bro. What
And
the
4 hour.
Yeah, this from 88 to 61 to 50, 38. Oh my God. Oh my
Sheesh.
God. This thing is coming to the 838.
Did anyone get into that?
that was
Out
crazy.
here is trying to
Damn.
sell. Like, what are we doing?
You over here distracting me, bro.
Oh
Yeah,
my God.
I'm not gonna lie, I was nice, Carlos.
Oh man.
Just the beginning of that 30 minutes just
Carlos,
pops
you
right
ain't want
there.
to say nothing, brother? We over here yapping for no reason.
I'm not even talking about nothing, man. The trade's right here,
Honestly.
bro. Someone tell me something.
I'm just
Oh
enjoying. I'm
man.
enjoying y'all conversation. I'm over here chilling with y'all.
Much appreciated.
So what was that? We had it drawn off the 15 and 30 minute, but it tapped that
The
1 hour.
one
1 hour was
at
it.
the one and ran.
Wow.
Good thing you got out of there, brother.
Good
Wow.
thing indeed. Good thing indeed. But I'm kind of sick, bro. I'm kind of sick. We missed that one.
Yeah, that 88 kind of wow. See, bro, she's
Yeesh.
tricky. She tricky, man. She tricky.
I'm gonna go ahead and just mark that zone up. It looks like we're getting some
Oh wow,
reactions here.
38. About to tap right now. That's crazy.
I'm hurt, y'all. I'm hurt.
I'm low key hurt too, bro.
Damn. That was so fast.
I was waiting, bro. That I was waiting for that.
Holy.
Yep, just tap.
Damn.
I had my drip. I had my fib drawn on the
On the 15. I have it on the 15.
Yeah.
Hey, had it on the 30 and the 15. Literally in 15 in 5 minutes, I think came up. I think. Yep, that 5 minute candle. 5 minute, first 5 minute tap, second 5 minute took off.
Oh my God. Hey, jeez. Is this gonna come back to the top all the way?
If it comes back in the zone,
Wow.
I might enter again. I'm not gonna lie. Or enter.
Yeah, this gotta give us some. Dang, that candle is kind of fat. That 5 candle looks crazy, man. Oh my God. Yo.
Sheesh.
Jeez. Well, you snooze, you lose.
Exactly. At least we got something.
At least I
Wait,
got 200 today.
sheesh, that 4 hour is wicked too. Off the
Wow.
inverted.
Oh my goodness, that wick is.
You see the 4? I should have just stayed on the 4. I knew it, bro.
It came right down to that body, bro. It's pop.
That body of like the last.
Yeah,
Like,
that low. Because it already broke through the previous low. And that
bro,
was
it's the
okay.
8. It's the 4 hour 88. I did say that in the beginning of the stream. I did say that. Oh my God! I should just stay on the 88. I mean, on the 4 hours.
Okay. She'll come back.
Hindsight's
Oh, your
You also
fault,
said
T.
she'll come back. She did.
hindsight's. Dang it!
Wow.
The 4 hour 88 looks so good, bro. Look at that.
She does. I'm not gonna lie.
Wow! 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 Now she's at 38. Oh my God!
I feel like I'm watching a rocket ship just fall without me.
No, brother. That's exactly what happened. Exactly what happened, man. Is it worth waiting for another re-entry? Can we get the same reaction? I don't know.
We close below this 30 minute. Maybe, I don't know. Or like right here. But if we keep pushing from here, I don't know, fam.
It could. Honestly, it could. What the fuck, man? Who's over here yapping?
I'm sitting here talking about
Bro, this is the first.
bro.
This is only the
Take the
first 30
trade.
minutes of this 30 candle. That's crazy. I didn't expect that. I have to go to it on Twitter. There has to be some on Twitter. Hold on. Did he say something? Did bro just say something, bro? Did Broski just tweet something?
Yeah, that right shoulder is holding.
Yeah. That's a nice I mean that 4 hour really and it did break. I mean, if you look at the zone at the top of the range, that previous like swing, 4 hour swing, it broke above.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah. It just
No.
had to come all the way back and like tap that bottom.
Yeah, no, nothing right now. Wow. Wow.
This is it's hurtful to watch. Hey, if
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
in this, well done. I'm gonna just say that. If you're in this trade, well done.
Well done.
I'm over here trying to take the damn sell, miss the buy, man.
I'm
Ah,
looking for the buy. I missed the buy.
Bro.
yeah.
At least you
Honestly, I
got
was anticipating it to come down a bit further.
yeah, yeah. With that hourly eight,
Yeah, that was it.
that was it. That was
Yeah,
it.
the 4 hour 88, bro. That's major, major.
Honestly, I might have to call it. If I think that was probably the best move of the day.
That's the one.
Really?
That was the one.
Yeah.
This is like you trying to force it. Now we
No.
just gotta wait for
Okay,
the.
yeah, no, I really want to take a trade because I just saw that.
Me too, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah, now just forcing it.
We've been on this stream for what, an hour now? An hour?
Yeah, I think there's definitely still time for some moves. But That move right there was like the best quality for
I
sure.
I agree.
I mean, if this 15 closed like with a fat wick to the top, bro, what the hell?
But this it's unlikely we get that same reaction again, you know? Like
Yeah,
that was the reaction right there.
That
that's
was the
the thing. You
reaction.
can
Yeah.
never like anticipate that. You can anticipate the structure, but the actual like volume is so random.
Yeah,
Unless it's a new 88, you know?
Yes, true. Like a daily or weekly.
Exactly.
At 4 hour, I mean, it is the higher time frames are high, like more reactive, I feel.
should just stay on that thing. Oh, good. Wow, this 1 hour really engulfed like this, bro.
Yeah,
I'll
4 hour
be
flip.
I'll be really surprised if this 1 hour just shoots up and cover all these wicks from last night too.
Just get it now.
At 23, we have 60 pips left. Bruh,
Just buy
no.
now, T. Look at that 15-minute closure.
Oh my god.
Long 15, no wick.
Dude,
I catch a
that is
nice little scalp on it.
Oof, my jeez.
dude,
If this thing closed above all these of these resistance on the 15, maybe. Maybe. But it gotta close above these first 4 minutes.
Oh my God.
Or
Wow.
flip the fib. And this is the 88 on the sell side.
that's the thing. Like the heat map is the only thing green is in the video, and it's only like it's up like 0.5%. Everything else is neutral or red. So
That
They
pop
get
was
carrying our
like
semiconductors.
you know, semiconductors, yeah.
the the pop was unexpected, to say the least.
Very unexpected.
Very unexpected. It is what it is.
Man, we might have to wait some more if we want to catch another move, especially after that.
It's not meant for us, bro.
Yeah.
Not meant
I
for us.
like that.
It's not our money. If it's our money, we're gotten it.
How y'all doing for the day though? How are y'all doing? Members, talk to me. Sam, Gio, Josh, George, Carlos. How we doing? Are y'all up for the day?
Okay.
Still?
I'm $1,000 today. I'm good.
I said, I'm
Hey.
up for the day. Okay, okay. We would have been no trades yet for me. Okay. Shit, we would have been up a bit more with that one. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man.
I ain't gonna lie.
YouTube, how we doing? If not, I'm just gonna go ahead and end it on YouTube, and we're gonna continue on our on this side over here. All right, no responses. All right, y'all.
Dude.
I took a loss selling. Where did you sell? Off the break?